Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover files from a virus-infected PC with Norton. Full guide step by. Begin by ensuring your Norton antivirus software is installed and up to date on your PC. If your system is still operational, launch the Norton application. Navigate to the Security tab located on the main dashboard. Select Run Smart Scan to scan for any potential threats on your device. Allow the scan to complete and review the results for any detected viruses. Choose the option to quarantine or remove any virus threats identified by Norton. Next, restart your PC in safe mode to prevent any active viruses from interfering. To enter safe mode, hold down the Shift key while clicking on the Restart option in the Power menu. Once in the Advanced Startup options, select Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, followed by Startup Settings. Click on Restart, and when your PC restarts, select Safe Mode from the options presented. Now, open the Norton application again in safe mode to conduct another scan. After the scan is complete, choose to remove or quarantine any additional threats detected during this session. Next, navigate to your file recovery options. Open Norton's backup feature from the main dashboard. Select Restore to recover files that were previously backed up before the virus infection. Choose the date of the backup prior to the virus incident to restore your files. Follow the prompts to complete the restoration process. After the restoration, confirm that your files are intact and accessible. If you did not have a backup, consider using third-party file recovery software as an alternative. Once all tasks are complete, restart your PC normally to exit safe mode. Finally, run a comprehensive scan with Norton to ensure your system is secure and free of threats. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.